2020 Range Rover Velar, protected with a Starline Immobiliser. So if a thief got the key, drilled the hole in the boot, started it up, got it running, whether they got your key, drilled the hole, whatever they do, as soon as they put it into gear, vehicle cuts out. As you see, vehicle's died, they're unable to drive it away. So the customer can choose from either a push sequence, so they start the car, put the code in, hear that tone, and then they can select their gear, it remains running. Or the easiest option, which most people prefer, just have their phone in their pocket, get in and start. It disarms, phone does it for you, and you can drive away. This system you can pair up to 5 phones. You can also choose a unique push sequence using the factory buttons in any order you choose, between 4 and 21 presses. And put this system into service mode as well. If it goes back to Range Rover, you can turn it off completely and they'll be none the wiser. There's a system fitted to it. It will just act and behave like a normal car, start and go into gear without a code. When you get it back, you can turn the system on and obviously your vehicle's secure. So if someone gets in, as we showed you, they've got your key, select a gear, vehicle cuts out and they're unable to drive it away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a 2020 Range Rover Velar, protected with a Starline Pro. So this system has the code, totally unique to the customer. Can choose between 3 and 21 presses and can also pair up to 5 individual phones if multiple people drive the vehicle. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.